Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Now, students, before us, as you can see on the screen, is a multiple choice question. And I got this question from the 2018 Paper 1 General Science BJC examination. Now, currently, this question is unsolved. But I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. So, my question to you is, are you ready? Are you ready? Right? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the question, right? Let's read the question. Question number 1. And question number 1 states the following: which class of organism is cold-blooded with scales and gills? Is it A, amphibian? Is it B, a bird? Is it C, a fish? Or is it D, a reptile? Now, I am going to give you an opportunity to try this question on your own. So I encourage you, pause the video and attempt this question on your own, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. All right, all right. So now that you have done this question on your own, let us deal with this question together. Again, the question asks class of organism which class of organism is cold-blooded with scales and gills? Now, is it an amphibian? Is it an amphibian? Is that the correct answer? Right? Note that amphibians, right? Note that amphibians are cold-blooded, right? They have no scales and they are born with gills. They are born with gills. Now, as they grow older, some of them keep their gills and others outgrow them. All right. But the question, or I should say, the answer that we're looking for is we're looking for the class of organism that not only is cold blooded and not only has gills, but we're looking for the class of organism that also has scales. All right. And the issue with amphibians is that they do not have scales, right? They do not have scales. Thus, the answer of A is incorrect. Okay, instructor. Well, what about B? Is B the correct answer? So, is the correct answer a bird? Is the correct answer a bird? Note that birds are warm-blooded, they have no scales, and they have no gills. Now, the answer that we are looking for is something or is a class of organism that is cold-blooded with scales and gills, but birds are not even cold-blooded, right? They're warm-blooded. So that's the first X, right? That's the first criteria that is missed. Also, birds don't even have scales, right? So that's the next criteria that is missed. And birds don't have any gills. So that's the third criteria that is missed. So definitely a bird is not the correct answer for this question. Okay, moving right along. So is the answer D, right? Is it a reptile, right? Is the answer that we're looking for a reptile? Well, reptiles are cold-blooded, all right? Reptiles has scales and reptiles has no gills. Now note the class of organism that we're looking for is cold-blooded, has scales and has gills. Notice that reptiles are cold-blooded, right? They have scales, but the issue is they do not have gills, so they fail the third criteria. So therefore, the response or the answer of D is incorrect. All right, so that leaves us with only one option left. C, a fish. Is a fish the correct answer? Note that fishes are cold-blooded, right? They have scales and they have gills. And that's exactly the class of organism that we were looking for. So the correct answer for this question is indeed C. Awesome. Awesome.